In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access apps. Now click on Manage Apps and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Finally, select Default Apps and pick one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to click over here. Tap on Firefox in order to apply it, and then go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!